Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, put your mask on.
So, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to do a do-it-yourself at-home facial routine. You guys on my social media always ask me questions about my skincare regimen, products that I use. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I went to school for aesthetics. I am someone who suffered from breakouts, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, whatever, you name it. I suffered from it with my skin. So for me to finally have something locked in, I'm super excited about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the facial, okay?
Okay, so first we are going to pre-cleanse the skin. I like to do this because I am a makeup wearer. No, I do not have on makeup right now, but I'm a makeup wearer. So I like to use a pre-cleanse to remove any buildup or whatever on the skin. I'm using the Mario Badescu Seaweed Cleansing Soap. This is like a gentle exfoliant. It's not really a harsh exfoliant, so it doesn't do anything to the skin if you use it every day, but it does remove makeup and residue or any buildup without stripping the skin, and it's perfect for all skin types, so we all can use it. And I'm just using these towelettes to dry my face throughout the video. You will notice that. Okay, so now for my actual cleanser, I'm using the Kiehl's. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. I use this in my last skincare video. I use it every single day. I love it. This one really gets rid of all of the buildup on the skin. So I like using this one after my pre-cleanse. And my voice sounds a little scratchy or crazy. I do have a sore throat, so yeah, that'll explain why I don't sound all chipper or whatever. But yeah, so just cleanse the skin, get it nice and squeaky clean, and then I go in with the steamer after this. And this steamer is from Amazon. I use it in my other skincare video. I don't really know why it doesn't, the steam doesn't really show up on camera, because the steamer is actually pretty good. Obviously it's not the best. It is only 20 bucks, but yeah, so 5 minutes into my steaming, I go in with my exfoliant. This one is the Clinique Exfoliating Scrub. I've been using this one for years. It just leaves my skin feeling nice and soft. So I like to exfoliate in between my steaming process while my skin is super soft, and just get rid of all the extra dead skin cells. And then I go in and do my extractions. So I did get these extracting tools from Amazon, and the main place that I have like buildup is my nose. I don't know if it's because I wear makeup or what, but I have a lot of buildup in my nose. Like, as you can see, I'm like scraping all that out, and look at that. Oh, it's just so nasty, but it's so liberating. I don't know, at the same time. But yeah, so then I move on to my mask. I'm using this mask from Fresh Beauty. This one is also perfect for all skin types. Let me see, what does it say about this one? Okay, so it says this one is for dullness and uneven texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and dryness. So yeah, this mask definitely does leave my skin looking extra youthful and super, like, not shiny. I don't like to use shiny when describing a mask, but it does look shiny there. But no, it does leave my skin looking extra youthful and just removes like that dull look. And you leave that on for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. And you guys were asking me about this eye serum on my social media. I use this eye serum. I got this from Ross. I get a lot of my skincare products from Ross because you get them cheaper. And this, I love this eye serum. It's like so good. It really hydrates under my eyes. Okay, you guys know all about my lip scrub. I use this in my last skincare video. I get this from ColourPop. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's a lip scrub. I use this lip brush to remove like the extra dead skin cells, and I also got this from what did I say, skin cells? No, not skin cells. Dead skin. I got that from Ross too. And this is the face serum that I like using. I got this from Ross, you guys. I looked everywhere for this face serum. I've been trying to find it for you guys that were asking me about it. I cannot find it anywhere, but I think Amazon has like another one from the same brand or the same company, but I don't think it's this exact same one. I like to massage my skin while I have my serum on. I'm just utilizing the massage techniques that I learned in school, but we all know gravity pulls our skin down, so you want to lift your skin up, and that's just what I'm doing here. So when you're using your serum, it's gonna help to penetrate it deeper into the skin if you massage it in. And look at me. Skin glowing. Okay, so for the hyaluronic acid, you guys know I use this for added hydration. This definitely penetrates deep into the skin. Those of you who suffer from dry skin, you should definitely look into a hyaluronic acid. This one is at Ulta for 20 bucks, and it is awesome. And it's also for all skin types. I'm just admiring the glow. And this is actually a new one into my skincare collection, but it's the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. I actually really like this moisturizer. It's not too oily, and it's also perfect for all skin types. So yeah, and that's it. Your girl is done. Skin glowing. Yes.
Alright, you guys, so that completes the do-it-yourself at-home facial routine. My skin is just flourishing. It's glowy, it's healthy, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys feel about this do-it-yourself at-home facial routine down in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments, what are your favorite skincare products to use? What is your ultimate go-to skincare product? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.